birds, we'll be talking about a tiny bird with red eyes. The thick-billed flowerpecker. The thick-billed flowerpecker is a tiny bird in the flowerpecker family. Dull grey-brown flowerpecker with streaked white underparts. It is a resident bird with a wide distribution across tropical southern Asia, from India east to Indonesia and Timor. Bill isn't all that noticeably thick, but combination of pale vent, striped throat and strongly streaked underparts serve to identify this wide-ranging and variable species. They feed predominantly on fruits and are active birds that are mainly seen in tops of trees in forests. Their calls are like locally named Thudu Pililichcha. I have seen the thick-billed flowerpecker at Dikbek-honingvogel in Dambulla. It is an 8th century Buddhist sanctuary where the Buddhist priests used to meditate. Today it is an archaeological site. Dikbek-honingvogel, meaning black water pond, was named after the pond in the area where the water looks black.